Since the full-scale invasion began, Russia has lost over 9,000 tanks, with 3,000 destroyed in 2024 alone, equivalent to 100 full-tank battalions. Despite deploying 1,500 tanks annually, most refurbished from old stock, Russia's reserves are projected to run out by 2026, according to Royal United Services Institute. Modern warfare is dominated by drones, trenches, and robotics, yet tank-on-tank duels still occur. In this video, we will witness extraordinary moments as Ukrainian tanks outmatch Russia's forces in this massive invasion. Do not miss this epic story. In this video, we will explore the Battle of Volodar in 2023, located in the Donetsk region. During this intense conflict, Russian forces not only failed to capture the city, but also suffered significant losses over 3 weeks of fighting. In the initial assault, Ukrainian forces primarily relied on their anti-tank teams, ambushing Russian tank columns with American-made Javelin missiles and Ukraine's laser-guided Stugna P missiles, supported by American M777 howitzers and French Kaiser artillery. The footage vividly shows how Russian tank drivers began to panic, retreating hastily, with many tanks driving straight into minefields. In their final major engagement, Ukrainian tank crews prepared an ambush, launching another devastating attack on the advancing Russian tank columns. This led to massive losses, with reports indicating that Russia lost at least 130 tanks and armored personnel carriers during the battle. Another video, circulated online in October 2024, shows a Russian APC speeding toward 2 Ukrainian tanks in the Kursk region of Russia. The Ukrainian tanks did not miss the opportunity to engage the Russian APC from relatively close range. Mark Hertling, a retired U.S. Army general who reviewed the footage, remarked that this was the closest tank battle he had ever witnessed. However, whether by coincidence or due to the limited impact of the Ukrainian tank fire, the Russian APC crew managed to escape from the smoking wreckage. In the next video, we will witness how Ukraine's Leopard 2 main battle tanks confronted Russian forces attempting to break through Ukrainian defenses near the town of Dolnj, south of Kharkiv, on November 11. However, Ukraine's 33rd Mechanized Brigade, equipped with the formidable German-made Leopard 2 of 4 tanks, successfully repelled the attack. They faced a line of Russian armored vehicles, including tanks, APCs, infantry fighting vehicles, and more. The Leopards managed to take out 2 tanks, 1 APC, and several other vehicles during the engagement. For the final footage, Ukraine's 128th Mountain Assault Brigade successfully engaged a Russian Soviet-era T-72B3 main battle tank using a Ukrainian Soviet-era T-64BV tank, destroying it at close range. Reports indicate that the attack took place in the fields between the settlements of Ducheny and Novokamianka in the Kherson region.